and welcome back to another episode of Ed in the Shed. Today we're going to be doing a little fill-in project I've been wanting to do for some time. I just haven't had the steel to be able to do it. So this morning I went and picked up some box section, some tube, some flat plate. What I'm going to be making is a little stand with some sort of roller on the top of it that sits in front of the bandsaw, so I can pick my material up or measure the length of my cutout. I can nip that bit of material in the vise, not having to hold the other end while trying to nip it in the vise and all that shite. We're going to be first off doing a cutting list, and then we'll fabricate it up. So let's crack on with it. So as you can see here, I've done a little drawing. The bandsaw, this is the bandsaw. Material goes into the vise here, stand that is just in front of the bandsaw there. So as you can see, I've done this drawing to scale. There's me, extremely large. But anyway, this bottom bit is going to be across a box section, like either side, and we'll weld them on. 350 say, 160. We want the height of the actual bed, the upright, so 620 millimeters long. One off of them, one off of them. The roller out of, I'll just turn the ends down like something like that anyway, so that'll be the roller, and then bits of plate will sit on here and here, box section, joining them two bits of plate together. That bit, we can cut it down if it's too long, so 185 millimeters. Now we've got the cutting list done, we'll crack on cutting all these bits off. So you can now see exactly what I mean here. We're having a bit of chew. As you can see, it is long. Got it resting on somewhat over there. I'm off to cutting all the bits off, and then we'll get on to some fabrication. Morning. So that's fully welded round now. We can start the top part of the rest. So I've got the bits of plate slotted and cleaned up, got the bit of box section, so they're going to get welded on there, and then the roller fits nicely in between, like that. Clamp that up, get it welded, and then we can weld it to the top of the stand. So that's the roller bracket all finished up, fully welded, ground all the sharp corners off, all the scale off the material, and that looks beautiful. And the roller fits in it lovely, nice free rolling. It's got a bit of end float, you can just hear it there, just so it doesn't bind up on the plates either side. So next job is to weld it onto the stand, so we'll crack on with that. So that is the bandsaw roller steady rest all finished and complete. Could do with a lick of paint in the future, but I'll get around to doing that at some point. So if you've got any ways that I could have done it differently or whatever, stick them down in the comments below. But hope you've enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Ta-da!